relatives, your own friends, your own neighbors, and all the people you come across till this age,
Roger, sir.
whosoever number you are having, you are supposed to add them without asking them. There is a
Okay.
condition, you will not ask them, because if you will
Okay.
ask, they will give you the so much of ज्ञान कि आप इतने कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि वो आपको भी कंफ्यूज कर देंगे, और आपको आपको जो मैथिली संगीत बता रहे हैं उनको भी कंफ्यूज कर देंगे. So the condition is this, कि you add them, and then you जो है ना, the second channel is to subscribe YouTube channel. So the link is Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel. It is having more than 10,000 videos, which is telling the how this country is going to transform, and not only be
Okay.
transformed, it will be जो है ना defeating all political parties and all politicians put together. They will be spending crores and crores, and you,
Okay.
without even spending a single penny, all the politicians of all the political party, they will be defeated. Is it not very surprising?
It's great. You are raising it's a huge army, sir.
Yeah,
Protecting the shield.
that precisely is the concept, right?
Like, correct, sir.
So third link is that is about the WhatsApp channel.
Sir.
So you are requested to join Crime Free Bharat WhatsApp channel. That will help you to get all my feed to you, right, through WhatsApp,
Right.
right?
Right,
And
sir.
next link is of that is the Telegram app. Are you using Telegram app?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to click on the link, and then you will be the part of the main group of Crime Free Bharat Mission.
Okay, sir.
And the last link, that is of my web portal,
Sir.
website. So you can go and peruse the website. It is under construction. All the document they are being uploaded. Once you
Sir.
will have that important, and you can reach out the YouTube channel, everything from the website itself.
Sir, sir.
So this is the way it has to be done. And then
Yeah.
basically this app is creating six
Yeah.
type of the merit list,
Okay, sir.
and merit list is of the adding people. So
Okay.
there are the three type of the marking system.
Okay, sir.
One mark is given for adding a member,
Right, sir.
and since it's adding on digital platform, on virtual platform, that is, we have to come out of it. So there's a system that in your group you make a roster, and you
Sir.
are supposed to